Hey, I'm here to show you my room. Fuck. Okay, so what we have is the most distinct part that's most known in a lot of the streams and videos is the art wall. The art wall slowly evolved. I made my first painting, my second painting, my brother's first painting, I believe, and my brother's threading. I have a photo of me and my girlfriend. We have a photo of this cute ass boy. I have a painting from a flea market. I don't know who painted this, but I took it and put it on my wall. That's about it. This is a fucking mess. There's a cooler. And then we have guitar. This is Layla. This is bass. I don't know what my girlfriend called that. Up there. That's Alexander. That's a melodica. Named after my friend. We have a TV. It's old as fuck. Yeah. We have a sensor. Then we have the new setup now. Here's what we have. We have a fucking mess of a table. Like, look at this shit. Yeah, Jesus Christ. This was given to me recently by my girlfriend. And we have this fucking mess. Why is there a curtain there? Because I jack off. Alright? Yeah, this is the setup where it is. The computer is actually just a laptop. Here's a cat. She wants to leave. Yeah, this is my school laptop. It's a piece of shit. Come on, get up. Get up. You can go. And there's my brother's laptop that I use all the time now. I've been quite lazy to make videos. That's why I haven't been putting out so many. Now we get to the main event. Being with Sam, the fridge filler. Think about that. Oh god, here's how sad the fridge looks. Alright, we have fucking nothing in here. So sad. So we're gonna put some things in it. If you catch my drift. Alright. Here's what we got. Here's what we got going in the fridge. We got cock and brisk. Yeah, that's what's going in the fridge. Where's that fucking... I wish I had some energy drinks. That could really be nice right now. I'm just gonna put that there. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna put the brisk. Oh, the salmon. Oh. Okay, we get the brisk. The balls in this situation. We got the cock and balls. This is the balls. Alright, cool, we got that. Now we got cock and balls. We're gonna put them here. You can't actually see that. Is that better? I guess. I'm gonna do this. Isn't that cool? You still can't see it. I hope it stacks all the way. Oh, now you can see it. Awesome. I don't think this. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. So we're gonna do this. Put that there. Put that there. Isn't that baller? And the rest of this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Nice. We got a cock and ball. Cock and ball. Alright, we got cock and ball. We got cock and ball. Cock and ball. Cock and ball. We have cock, ball, 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 ball. Isn't that cool? We just filled the fridge. So, that's the room. That's the fridge. Final view. Here's the final view. We have Coke, brisk, and then this. Yeah, not that nice. Sky, if you're watching this, order me a box of 24 Monster, please. Please.